Hi, I'm Adari P.T. Brown. I'm coming to you today. Let's discuss some things. Many people believe that being an independent means you waver in the fence. The reality is, you're not wavering the fence. You're being independent of what's currently out there. You don't want to be a Democrat, you don't want to be a Republican. You want to be a person who stands on their merits and stands on their own, meaning you don't need a political party to feel connected. You feel connected with yourself. For those who think belonging to a political party makes you better than anyone else, throw that out the window. You're no better than nobody else. We're all in this boat together. It's called the United States of America for a reason. It's not about being Democrat, it's not about being Republican, it's about being an American and being an American first. Many of us, we celebrated on Tuesday because we finally got an African American president. That is very strong in itself. The African American community, as well as America itself, should be proud of our history. We have many flaws in it, but we have many things that are great about our nation. And that's something we all can share in. That's something we all can rejoice in. It's nothing anybody can tell us that will change that. At the end of the day, being independent means you think for yourself. You think what is right. You don't think because of a political party. You don't buckle at the hands of a political party. You don't buckle at the hands of anyone. What you do, you listen to the cause, you listen to the big people and the small people, and you make decisions on behalf of everyone. That's what it means to be an independent. Being independent in thought, being independent in your action, being independent in accepting the responsibilities that take place, making sure that when something goes wrong, you're not one of those who point the fingers at everybody else, but you point the finger right at yourself for not making sure that it didn't go wrong. We're here always talking about what's wrong and who did it, but no one wants to take responsibility for what went wrong. In reality, that's what an independent truly is. An independent is a political party. An independent is somebody who belongs to one party or the other. An independent is someone who thinks for themselves, who walks on their own beat, who stands tall and does things that they know will get the job done, and knows that it will be the best in the best interest of not just a small majority or a small minority. It will be in the best interest of everyone. And sometimes people can't see that each and every day, but I'm here to tell you people, being independent means so much more than many of us than we can imagine. You'll be shocked at all the crookedness that takes place within inside political parties. How they sacrifice candidates for the greater cause of the party. I don't believe that's right. And that's why those who are independents and those who stand alone, and even some people who are liberals and conservatives are independents. They're not Democrats or Republicans, they're actually independents. They have liberal thinking thought, but they don't belong to the Democratic or Republican Party because they want to be free of belonging to party, free of thought, free of consciousness. They want to know what's going on around them. They look at both sides of the spectrum and are not just narrow-minded to think that their party is the greatest party, because that's not the truth. The reality is, if we all were independent, we'd be a whole lot better. I'm Adari P.T. Brown, and this is my perspective.